Good morning, it's another how-to video. Today we're going to replace the headlights on a 2005 Mustang. This project requires a 10mm wrench or socket and a Phillips head screwdriver. You have to remove these 3 screws first. Then underneath here you have three nuts to remove. The purpose to remove these 3 nuts is to detach the bumper from the fender. Don't forget to remove the screw that attaches the bumper. Work the fender away from the headlight so you can access the 2 bolts to hold the headlight. Simply disconnect the bulb from the housing. Then you reverse the process. Fasten the 3 bolts to hold the headlight. Fasten the 3 bolts to hold the headlight. There is a tongue that sticks out of the bumper that fits right underneath the headlight. And voila,